What do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
We're going to turn it around, and we're going to start winning again. We're going to win so much. We're going to win at every level. We're going to win economically. We're going to win with the economy. We're going to win with military. We're going to win with healthcare for our veterans. We're going to win with...
Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Single facet. We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win so much.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay. Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right? Right? There's no second best. Okay. But take all your money, buy Bitcoin, then take all your time, figure out how to borrow more money to buy more Bitcoin, then take all your time and figure out what you can sell to buy Bitcoin. And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business that's in your family for 37 years and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin. We call them poor. There's a name for them. We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay? Right, like, the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but I mean, we can all look Bitcoin sort of as...
Forever, Laura. People that use fiat.
GM bros, what's up? What's up? What's up, chat? And welcome back to the trenches. My name is Gray to the B to the T to the C to the moon. And welcome to the final hour. I know I'm late. But it's never too late for the trenches. We show up every day anyway. So we're basically here. Can you hear me? Please let me know if you can hear me right now. Wait, what's going on here? One, two, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. I feel like we're getting attacked, man. Like all my tech is not working correctly. What the hell? My camera is not working. My microphone's not working. What the hell is going on? Okay, let's figure this out quick. Wow, bro. So you can hear me even though I'm not using the correct microphone. I still want to use this professional microphone though. Like my microphone just froze. Are we under attack? Are they attacking us now? Like, what the hell? Sound is okay. But yeah, bro, like I'm not using my mic though. That's the problem. Let's try this again. Sounds normal. I guess this is the death of this microphone. Look, it just stuck. Doesn't want to switch off, switch on. It's frozen. All right, so screw this microphone. We're just going to do it the old school way without a fancy microphone. But yeah, what's going on in the world? I'm hearing that they're trying to assassinate Trump or something like that. Well, like, what's the story there? I just saw the beats every here and there, but I haven't really heard the official news. So what's the deal? Can someone put me on? Okay, the microphone is kind of working now. So let's try this one more time. I think I'm going to have to buy a new laptop tomorrow, specifically for streaming, because my laptop seems to be getting... Yeah, 1 2 1 2. Microphone's working. The only thing not working right now is the freaking camera. And the camera works finally. Perfect. We saw back, bros. GM. Welcome to the trenches. It's that time of the day, bros. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss it. Everything is working. Everything operational. We're so freaking back. Eric Trump launched a coin today. What's the name of the coin? Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm late. I went out a little bit with some trench warriors in real life. We had like we have been eating steak all night, and yeah, the meeting ended up too late. So Elon pumped Keius Maximus. Okay, let's just have a look at what's going on in the market overall here, because I literally have no idea. I haven't looked at the market for hours. Oh my gosh, Keius Maximus is back with 119%. Okay. How are we sidelined on this or what? Oh my gosh, Hyperliquid is pumping again, and I didn't pick it up. So we got story. Nothing sort of big deal today in the top 100. And then on the top gainers, We have Keius Maximus AI, Boba Network, Wrapped, Centrifuge, and Centrifuge itself. Okay, nice. I mean, nothing insane here. How is Moo Deng doing though? Oh my gosh. No, not this Moo Deng. This is Moo Deng on it. I want Moo Deng on so. Okay, Moo Deng still at 21 cents. So I made the right call closing my short on it. Jay Smooth says, out here on my 5-mile run, listening to the crypto meme god himself, can't get any better. Also, man, I give you the run mercies out there. Run harder. Do it for the Trench Warriors. Instead of doing 5 miles tonight or today, do 6 miles. 1 mile for the team, because I haven't run this week yet. So my run is going to be on Sunday, 20 kilometers. So just do one mile more for us, bro. Oh, he has changed the profile pic on X again. Okay, I get it. Yeah, thank you guys. I know I'm late, but the love is, I could feel the love from a distance when I was driving. Just bought a Bitcoin dip, but it dipped hard. Okay, so Eric Trump says launch is on meme. Let's see. Oh, we can't log in still on X? Like what the hell? Let's try another way. Okay, let's log into X and figure this one out. So the main subject for today, I got the wrong password. Ooh la la. But how am I sidelined on my own X account? This is now getting a little weird, man. Huh? Am I being hacked or what? One more time. They're coming up with this nonsense of provide your email address or whatever. I don't even know what my email address for X account is, bro. Don't ask me any more stupid questions, you Elon Musk. Okay, I got it. Tonight, by the way, the crypto queen want to join us, she says. So we might have another guest tonight. And I secured Xiao from AI16Z is joining us next week on Tuesday. That's going to be fire for sure. So make sure you never skip, man. A lot of these guys have a lot of shit cooking, and they'll be sharing it right here on the stream. So you want to be with it. You want to be on the money. Okay, I don't think I even know where my two-factor authenticator is. Okay, wait. Crypto Queen, are you coming? Are you joining us or not? Queen of Crypto, not Crypto Queen. Queen of Crypto. Because she sent me some alpha today, which we can discuss with her when she's on the stream. She seems very confident with this one, so let's find out. We'll see what happens. Yo, but man, I haven't seen a Shiller community like SPX and SPX, Giga, and Dog. Especially Dog, Go to the Moon. Those guys are just nuts. Those guys are just nuts, bro. So let me do something special here. Finally, we shall log onto X. We shall make it. I see Elon is back with Keius again. Emperor Keius Maximus. Elon is facing a lot of trouble, so I think he's trying to make himself feel tough at the moment, which I understand. Okay, but this is the play. Ooh. He's really pumping Keius, right? He's pumping Tesla stock and pumping his Memecoin. Free cash flow history of pure EV makers, Tesla 116.1, and then the others are below. But bro, why didn't you include BYD on it? I would like to see that. Okay, so we're back on X. The most important thing we're gonna find out is Eric Trump. Which coin did Eric Trump launch? Like you bros are lying now. Very proud of this project and the incredibly talented group of friends that are involved. American BTC, a new chapter begins. What is American BTC? Let's train to now. Wow, man. America has gone full crypto. Who would have known? Like 3 years ago, you wouldn't have thought that this was going to be the case right now. GG, everyone. The queen of crypto, Sonia. Who is Sonia again? Sonia. Who is Sonia again? I forgot. The name sounds familiar though. No, this is Queen of Crypto, Queen of Satoshi. Queen of Satoshi. She trades on Axiom as well. She makes some good calls sometimes. I see her on the TL. This one here, this profile. So we'll bring her in and see what she got to say. What is she trying to show? Anyway. Okay, I need to filter my Twitter much better because what's going on is weird. Yeah, meme coins are not dead. Just found out. Yeah, I see Ninzo just retweeted. Guys, if you want to win the giveaway today, please, you want to retweet the stream and like the video and share it all over and make sure that you're sharing what's going on. Some people here are saying the trenches are dead already. Like you bros, you give out very quickly. Is Keius a good buy? No, I don't think so. I don't think it's going to survive as much. Like the Elon memes are not doing that well right now. So they get a pump for a day or two and then they go back to the shitters. Now, anyway, let's start the show properly. My name is Gray to the B to the T to the C to the Moon. I just made myself some tea. It's kind of hot in here. So I will turn on my aircon. And then I'll also get the sunglasses for the culture. And then we can get started with the show. I think the sunglasses are in the car. The nicer ones. So I'm going to wear the running ones. they work as well. Perfect. We're back. What is going on, guys? Sonia. No, Sonia from CoinW. No. She's not the one coming on. Is Hood on Solana dead? I see. Yeah, a lot of people believe that Hood is dead. Yeah, there's a reason why I always stay away from Pingu. I told you, bro. Pingu it's a very sus play. The Eric Trump token got ragged. Okay, that was quick. Sonia Shao. No. Oh, I see. So when I say Shao, the Shao I'm talking about here is the creator of AI16Z, this guy. Shao makes magic. This guy here. So he will be here on the stream on Tuesday. We're going to trench. He's working on AutoFun. He worked on Eliza OS. He worked on AI16Z. He's a good dev. You know, he cooks. He knows how to cook, and he's cooking some stuff. So he's going to come on here, trench with us, and he's going to share us some alpha as well. So that is just confirmed. And I've got other people coming on next week. I will not reveal the names just yet, but you want to be there for it. So, let's get back to the show. My name is Gray, to the B, to the T, to the C. And today we want to trench so hard. We're going to be trenching on the lower cap means, looking for bigger flips right now to make some real money, because the market is looking sus and really not that exciting. But these are the moments when the biggest gains are made. So BTC is at $103,000, Ethereum still above 2,500, and everything else pretty much kind of stable at the moment, including Solana. It's kind of stuck at $170. It has become a stable coin. I think it's good. We're just waiting for one catalyst to send BTC up, and then everything else is also going to go up. So we're waiting for that kind of moment right now. And if you want to look into the actual trenches today in terms of who are the losers and who are the winners, we have some tokens that are winning on the right. Number one is Keius Maximus. I'm sidelined on that. But then we have also seen a lot of downturns for Launchcoin, which was doing really well for the last few days. It's down now to 180 mil. And Divergence Loop, Housecoin down, Griffane down double digits, Pi Network, Titcoin, Ava AI, everything that was sending straight hard is now shedding some shells right now. Even Jelly My Jelly shedded a couple of moments as well. It's like $31 million now. Embarrassing Chill Guy also is shedding quite a lot. So a lot of these older memes are kind of shedding right now, being sold off, which is perfectly fine. Now, how are we doing on our portfolios themselves? I'm signed out again. Again. Okay, let's cook something new here. Let's log in. Okay, so I'm going to log in right now, and I want to see how my positions are doing. And yesterday we bought a lot of memes. Also, I haven't sold anything. I haven't even checked. So we'll see whether we are profitable or we got ragged on everything also, because that is also a possibility. That's just how it works in the trenches. You never know. So this stream, it might be a lot more quieter than normal because I will be busy with trenching, trying to enter positions, do some research, because, man, the game has become a lot more competitive. So we need to really sharpen our trenching right now. And tonight we're going to look for hot things. Okay, I managed to log into my Bybit account, and this is how we're doing overall. On our Ethereum position, we are in profit still of $28,000. Still going well, going strong, 281% profit there. Still green. On our XRP position, we are now at $3,700 loss. Now, what does this mean? Sometimes when you have a short position open and it's only going down, it's a very good indicator for yourself for a long position, because the lower it has gone, the more you want to add to the position because it's more likely much closer to the bottom. So if, let's say, you don't have an XRP long position open, you could actually use this as a signal that XRP at some point has to bounce back. And then you probably have found a better entry than what I found. So if I'm down this bad, it means everybody who is entering XRP right now, they're entering after some serious shedding that has just happened. And then on the ton position, it has gone up a little bit. Now we're up at $1,340 in profit, my friends. Do I have a long on Aptos? Yeah, I still have a long in Aptos. It is on my other account, but it is on a loss at the moment right now because it also went down a little bit. But I will hold it for a while. I also have a long on Ando still, but what I did, I just added more margin to my account to make sure that my liquidation price is much lower. So I still have a wiggle room to play as long as the market does not crash. I have a long on Ando. It's just on a different account. But those who are in the Trenches 24/7 Telegram, I announced when I entered that position. All right, now how are we doing in the trenches? In our $100,000 portfolio, how are we doing right now? Let's enter that. Okay, we also been logged out. Always logged out. We always logged out, bro. It's like, what the hell? Why, bro? Why do you log us out? I'll log in. Chat, if you're enjoying the stream, W chat, W chat, W chat, W. Everybody drop a W in the chat to show solidarity to the trenches, because we're really now in the zone right now. We're in the moment, and we want to confuse the algorithm, and we want to grow and get those sponsors. So you have to like. If you're watching right now, hit like. If you're watching even later, hit the like button. It's very important. It's the rule of the game. Because that's how we're going to win, bros. We need to maintain the aura, man. The momentum is very important. Okay, let's log in. Okay, let me look at my wallet balance. Am I gonna cry or not? Okay, we're about to find out. We're about to find out. $107 now. That's how down we are. So yesterday we had around $111,000. We bought Chill Guy. It's down bad. We're down $6,000 on Chill Guy. Interesting. But now it's at $107,000. And we still have $58,000 to invest. So, whoop, looking good on my books. I think if we make a few smart buys with that 53 grand, we could be somewhere else on a different day. Okay, let's look. What's trending here today in spot? Shell, SPX down a little bit. My lady called. Okay, so we're doing okay here. Now let's look at the Axiom plays, because we bought some stuff yesterday. And let's see if any of it turned into something. KYC, we're down 88%. So effectively, we got rugged. Tiffany, we got rugged. Gork, I mean, it's still a play. It's just down a little bit. S&P 500, I think we got rugged. It's dead. And the rest are still like not dead, but down bad, including Eliza, Jelly My Jelly, and Titcoin, all of them down bad. It just means that we're closer to the bottom, which makes it even a better time to accumulate or buy. I love the trenches. I like the red days, the bloody days. And then on Bullx, what do we have here? Anything hot? Okay. Nothing hard on bullish just yet. Solana is disabled. What the hell is that? So tonight we're going to do something different. We need to put on some filters for us to scan for good tickers. I was chatting today with a couple of trench warriors on dinner, and we all agree on one thing, that the trenches have now changed. They're no longer the same. And a lot of the stuff that we are, like, the game has become 24-hour play, or even 20 minutes plays. It's no longer about you buy and just hold and wait. Right now, the game has become you buy, you enter, you exit, you enter, you exit. You have to do that many times, maybe to end up with some good money. Okay. So why my position is not showing? Okay, I need to log into with the wallet. Okay, so it seems like on the last night's plays, nothing really came out of it. But why is my Solana chain not showing in Bullex? That is crazy. Okay, that's tripping. So what is going on today? Like, is there anything hot? S&P 500? No. S&P 500 got rugged. These guys are stupid. Like, they had the perfect ticker and they just handed it over like that. Speedboat, this is a member of the YouTube channel. So thank you for showing up on the stream. Thank you for joining in. And that's amazing that you're a supporter of the trenches. And you actually support the channel on YouTube, which many people can also do, but they don't want to. This guy's destroyed S&P 500. I'm so pissed off right now. One thing that I don't understand is why Pump Vision is sidelining Solana. Like, Solana is not showing up anymore. I'm turning off all this stuff just to remain with Solana, and it's not showing. The crap. What is cooking today? Yeah, we're going to find him. Just trying to set up Pump Vision. But for some reason, Solana is disabled. Please enable to start. So, but where is it? I can't even see it. Bros, like this is tripping right now. Why is BullX tripping? Let's say if someone else maybe is mentioning this BullX problem. Okay, so this BullX thing is just me, eh? Ah, Solana is back. Now it's gone again. Solana is disabled. Please enable Solana to continue. But where the hell do I enable it when I can't see it? Come on, bros. These guys are frauds, bro. They disabled Solana on my thing. How in the hell is that legal, bro? Anyway, we shall continue, and we're just gonna avoid using BullX from now on. We stick to another platform. So this is what's trending. Let's filter it a little bit. Moonshot is there, protocols. Debts has to be paid. Maybe not. Keywords, Launchpad. Okay, so right now, I should check a coin called useless. Yeah, we can do it. In the hour. Okay, even this filter is unworking. Okay, so we got Grokify, EKM, Whitey. Pampaganda. Wow, Fred is down 21% today. Ah, okay. So BullX moved Solana to another account. It's Neil.BullX. BullX Neil. What the hell is this? They're saying that I'm on the wait list for Bullex. Bro, I'm using the platform. Why the hell are they even saying this? Does anybody got the invite list or how to get on the wait list? I don't know. How do I get on the wait list, bro? Yeah, this is why everybody is moving to Axiom. Okay, they don't even post anything on their official account. Okay, I'm just gonna DM them, man. Screw it. You Bullex people, you're basically being useless right now. I'll just DM Bullex right now. Bullex DM. Okay, I just DM them. Let's see what they say. Tiago is back in town, says GM Trench Warriors. What's going on? Yeah, bro, we just started. We're just trying to figure it out, making sense of what's going on right now, and trying to put together some filters for what's working. So from what it seems like, it does seem like today is the day for, there's Whitey. It's trending. It's 3 hours old. Another copy trading app, they claim. Okay, so I think that's the first thing we must do. Just look at what's trending today and look into everything first. And you've got XBT, which is currently at 19 mil. Okay, the ratio is weird. And also no website. Blink generator. Yeah, this already sounds like a scam. Yeah, they already made 300K from it. And you got Corey the Palm. It's 3 days old. DDG. Who is DDG? Oh, it's already rugging. Okay, let me make some connections here. Message some people. We could get some nice stickers. Okay, so what we're trying to do right now is basically find a ticker that's hot we're just trading minute by minute right now. We're not looking for anything big because the big market is kind of cooked at the moment. So FCK925, okay. Bro, it has no motion, like nothing in the last 5 minutes, but the market cap is high for a 23-day-old coin, which is good, but like, bro, nothing much is happening there. Okay, I think there is a DDG meta. I don't know why, but it seems like a very consistent theme here. So we can pay attention to taste hyped, hyper bullish guys. Katostika hyped. Okay, I'm gonna share the stream to the trench lords on X as well. What the hell is going on here? Need to share the trenches with the warriors. Okay, shared it. If you're watching on X, like, retweet, and all that. It's very important. Support the show. We need the trenches to know that we are the #1 meme coin trenching show on the freaking internet right now. Tard is dripping. Let's have a look. Tard is 52 minutes old. Pulse chain, bro. Pulse chain is dead. Black fatigue got in around 30 million. Fuck, I wanted to launch that ticker today. I just was too lazy to do it. Maybe I had black fatigue myself. Black fatigue, 600K market cap. No, this one's fake. This one's cap. Which one is the main ticker though? Is this the real one? Man, if it didn't pump in the first 5 hours, like this is 22 hours old. And it's like 84K market cap. I think that's not going to work, bro. Let me see. I train better when I sit like this. Let's do it like that. Where's the music? Background music. Get the speakers out. I think we're about to trench for real right now. Fuck this shit. I put the chrome on the bands. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Now we can train forever. You bro, just let me know if the audio is not disturbing you, if the music and the voice is well balanced. But now we trench for real. Yeah, I think the fatigue is not going to work. The black fatigue is not going to work. Unless, should we just launch our own right now? Because I think it's a strong ticker. I saw this. The keyword was trending on TikTok. What's a good entry for Moo Deng? Anything below 200 million. Oh, there's another one called 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀. I have to admit, like, this 𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀 coin is trending really well. AWR. All will rise. Nah, bro, but like, there's nothing there in the last 5 minutes that's dead. Cody. 3 days old. Not impressed with the meme. Build down. Build it down. Scan. TOD is the ticker. Let's look at the TOD. I don't know if it got, this has no motion, bro. Sorry. Cause like, $100K in 1 hour. But yeah, let's just keep observing it right now. Seems like one of the best right now at this moment. At least it hasn't arrived yet. Ah, I see. Oh, I see. So all we retire is not necessarily a new project. It's just like it's an odd meme. But you see, there's Mario is following this one. See, this to me is a red flag, usually. But Murad is following too, so maybe there's something there. Fuck it, bro. Let's trench right now. Let's trench. It's time. It's go time. Until we find some gold tonight. Yo, if you're watching and you don't follow me, make sure you do it now. If you're watching on YouTube, you haven't subscribed, do it now. Share. If you're in a Telegram group, in a WhatsApp group, whatever you belong to, whatever community, make sure you share the stream. It's very important. We're just trenching right now until we find 100x. Solana still down on BullX. That is stupid. Freak off. Didi freak offs. Okay, this one is quite a good ticker, actually. What do you think? Freak offs. Didi today. Not today, Didi. Freak offs. So you see me make like all these smaller transactions, buy and sell, even when these are like rugs that we have been rugged already, but I'm still selling it. The whole point is to gain more points of Axiom, because I'm earning more points by simply transacting, right? So it doesn't matter what type of the transaction it is, as long as you transacted, you get points. So I'm also doing it to increase my points, basically. Okay, so what was the ticker we just saw now? So this DDG nonsense has already been rugged, but this freak off thing looks kind of interesting. So just observe. Let's just try with the 0.1. Didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna bid like a 0.1. Flip. Yeah, rugged already. Thankfully, we didn't buy. Transaction didn't go through. BAI, okay. BAI is the one with the, maybe let's look it up on the screen. BAI is like buy AI. I'm not too sure about this one, bro. Cordy. But this one's like 2 days old. 3 days old, but it's up 5,000% in the last 24 hours. Why? Who's pushing this? It's on Bonk, I see. Okay, so a lot of launches on Bonk right now, right? It's hardcore. MCAP. Sure, I'll have a look. Just drop whatever ticker you guys are looking at, you want me to check, I'll do it. If I like it, I'll buy. Mars Capital Token. It's on Telegram blockchain. 102 million market cap. 2K of liquidity. Wow. Is any of you guys cooking some memes on the Bonk launch, on the Bonk launchpad? Okay, so because I'm looking at a lot of coins in the Pump Vision, you're seeing a lot of Bonk related stuff. Okay, so this is the Bonk launchpad. All right, I get it. It seems like Elon Musk is at war now with South Africa, it seems. He just posted another banger. Elon Keius Maximus. Something, we might see a new meme out of whatever Elon is tweeting today. Let's see. Nicest areas. I mean, South Africa right now, you can't walk anywhere. So this is Elon. He says he received this from his friend visiting South Africa. I mean, South Africa right now, you can't walk anywhere at night, even in the nicest areas of the Cape. The Cape is still functional, but Joburg is in ruin. None of the traffic lights work, not one. The vast majority of Black population is poorer than I've ever seen them. The small minority of the rest of the Black population are obscenely rich from the looting that is going on via government tenders and BEE. A friend who works at the public hospital in Baragwanath says that a loaf of bread for the hospital cost $1,000 rand, $50, because of corrupt tender agreement with food vendors. They're paying this much for bread, even though there are no surgical tools or masks or doctors. I heard a story from my realtor friend in San Francisco who said that her 75-year-old aunt was hard and both her arms broken when blacks robbed her estate near the Kruger. Cape Town seems to be the only place doing well because it's such an attractive destination for tourists. And. Dang, Elon. What's funny about this is Elon hasn't addressed anything about Grok being taught or programmed to spread fake news about the whole South Africa thing. But he is coming up with more smoke. Interesting. All I can tell you, bros, is like in this day and age, everything is fucked already. Just get rich. Everybody, all of us here, the trench warriors, you want to get so rich so that you're not connected to any of this bullshit going on in the world. No country, no currency, no place. You don't even want to breathe the same air as any of these people. They're all annoying. So this is the cycle where we get super rich out of meme coins and we're just going to buy our own farms and get away from everyone else. Let's keep trenching. Okay, so why is there so much Pepe related memes right now? I have a feeling that the whole fatigue meme thing is going to become a thing. There might be a launch that works because it's a strong meme right now on X. You know, funny enough is that Elon's Keius Maximus meme, even with Elon shilling it, it's only $54 million. So that doesn't make sense, bro. Are we cooked? Are the trenches cooked now or what? Because we're supposed to be pumping a lot higher than that. Okay, so you know what? Now I'm starting to think that this 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘀 meme might become a real thing because it's 3 days old now, still holding up 500K market cap. And I think the trenches are still talking about it. Okay, apparently they say it's an OG who launched it. Yeah, the comments are pure like art. Yeah, this is quite a good meme. I'll be honest, bro. Like, so for $500, you're getting what, 1 million tokens? I think I'm probably gonna buy a good chunk of this. I like that it has stayed alive for a few days. It's a good test. Yeah, if you're just joining us, guys, we're trenching, so it's gonna be more low-key today, not too much talking. We're just looking for opportunities, and that's how it works. You never really know what works, so you just have to look for shit. Bro, you said Black Fatigue is still sending. Which ticker? Can you send the CA, please? Icon and Fatigue. Icon. Okay, so this is also launched out of bank, yeah? Interesting. Seems like it's being dumped on, though. Okay, let's just look up the Fatigue story. What's up? Black Fatigue breaks the internet, and it was only a matter of time. God damn it. I think the funny thing is that there will be a meme about this word, this phrase, because it's really taking over the internet. It's everywhere. But the fact, we just don't know which one's going to be. So I think maybe the smartest thing to do is to just bid on any Fatigue meme, because it might work. Let's see if they have any aura on X and whatever. I see this guy is shooting it. But when I got 2,000 followers, so he's a small guy. But it's a smart strategy that they just dumped the link to Twitter to the search query. Like, I think I'm gonna bid in this one. Like, I'll start with 0.1 and I'll keep bidding it up if it doesn't rug me. The narrative is strong for real. Yeah, I'm in. I do have more soy in my BullX, but BullX has decided to close Solana today for some reason. BullX sucks. I can't even see my wallet in Phantom. What the fuck, bro? Also, where's the Russian? I had to leave early. She's sleeping right now. S&P 500 and now Nasdaq, are we cooked? It's starting to feel like the trenches are a little cooked right now, to be fair. Yeah, bro, follow me, guys, on X. It's great BTC. Follow me across all platforms. There's a lot of shit going on. Uncle Isaiah, Hot Mom. Yeah, I know I missed out on Hot Mom. That was a mistake. Okay, DDG will be dropping a coin on Solana. Okay, let's look. Let's just make sure he's in the feed for us. Ah, okay, so he's gonna drop a token right now. Okay, fire. I'm down. When, we don't know. So we're just gonna have to stay trenching. Yeah, so this is going to be a very heavy PvP game. So if you're gonna play, bro, like, be real with yourself, and you gotta be quick in and out, because it's gonna be a straight rug. Yeah, we'll watch what happens. Okay, I'm gonna turn off pump fund, and I'm just going to keep launch coin right now. Let's see. Oh, actually, this can have everything. Pump fund can be here. So what I'm doing, I'm filtering the source. First, let's understand what's happening on Launchcoin, because I heard that the Launchcoin memes have been doing pretty well. So we're just gonna keep that in here. And also here, let's just focus on Launchcoin tonight. No pump fund, only Launchcoin. And see the difference. Okay, the problem with this Launchcoin bullshit is that it's only on mobile. So is this how we're going to be trenching now? Only mobile? Let me try download the app, basically. Okay, the app is not available in my region, of course, as always. Why SPX are slow though? Is the liquidity run for Fartcoin? Has the liquidity run to Fartcoin? The thing is, I kind of made a tweet the other day. I think it was yesterday. Like Fartcoin or SPX like Fartcoin retweet. Like SPX has a lot of supporters, but not many buyers. SPX has, Fartcoin has more buyers, but not that many supporters, like verbally, right? So that is also the difference between communities sometimes. And you want to have a coin that has more buyers. That's the one that wins. People have to spend money and buy it. My Apple account doesn't allow me to download this freaking Believe app. Oh, no, I came too late? No, bro. Like, we're just trenching right now, looking for opportunities. We are filtering for one market only right now, and that is launch coin. The market caps on launch fund are pretty much on Launchpad or Launchcoin are pretty much small, man. So far, only one has graduated. It's called Ken. 1,700 holders. Okay, let's have a look at that. Somebody just exposed the cluster. Okay, so it doesn't seem like a very impressive project just yet, but it graduated on Launchcoin. Okay, Trump made a post on Truth Social. Let's have a look at that. So the only problem with Axiom is that the source of its tickers it's not filtering Launchcoin just yet. so we're going to do two preset one. I'm just going to turn on liquidity burn right there. Okay, so it does seem like, oh wow, and a few more graduated here. America, it has 1,800 holders. Fart size. Oh wow, all of them have like 20+% of the sort of 10 people are holding more than 20%. So there's this ticker, Believe Alpha, 1,300 people, Clune, and then you got Ken. Okay, fart side seems pretty interesting. I just tapped in a little bit to see what's going on. What's going on? We're looking for tickers, like we're looking for early plays. So let me break it down to you. If you're trying to make money in meme coins with like very, very little amount of money without high risk, you have to find early plays. These are coins that just launched in the last 5 minutes. They're just getting started. Market cap is like $30,000, $40,000. And if they make it, this is where you invest $10 and you end up with $1 million, you know, that kind of stuff. So that's what we're looking for. The reason is that the established coins are kind of cooked today. If you have enough liquidity, you can just buy the dips of everything else right now. But there's also a moment for something new to launch, and then we can profit a lot. We want to be early. We want to be the first ones. Usually when the market dips, like what's going on right now, everything is dead. It's always a good opportunity for a new coin to launch, and then we want to be able to get it, because tomorrow, the latest coin tomorrow will be completely new, and you're like, oh, where the hell did this one come from? So what we're trying to do is to capture something like that. Can I use Axiom for this trade? Yeah, you can. Just get on Axiom using my link. You get discount in fees, and also you skip the waiting list. Is Moo Deng going for a 10x or more? So, okay, because the title of this video is about Moo Deng. So let's cover that quickly before we continue with, I mean, we're still trenching here. We got our filters up and running. If we see something major, we're going to snipe it. We're ready to go right here. We're ready to roll on Photon. We're ready to roll right now on Axiom. We got all our setups ready to deploy. So we can now talk about all the other things. So let's go to Moo Deng right now, because it is the man of the hour, the baby of the hour. Moo Deng has sort of now graduated into its own world. This is where we at. Okay, everybody that doubted this coin has already given up. They know that Moo Deng is here to stay. Coinbase is in. Trading volume in the last 24 hours, $6.9 million, close to the liquidity. So you can see the liquidity to the volume is kind of balancing there. There's a much better ratio. I think that is very bullish for Moo Deng. Okay, so the market makers are doing their thing. The market is taking a little bit of cool period. You guys know, even God took the 7th day off. So Moo Deng is kind of cool. Like, you can't just keep going up every day. That's just not how it works. It needs a cool off period, and right now we're in that period where cool off a little bit, wait for the markets to get together, and then things can start going up again. So if you have been sidelined, you have seen Moo Deng go up and up and up and up, and it reached 300 million. Well, I have news for you right now. Moo Deng is now trading at 200 million. And I told you, anything below this number right now is gold, is golden. So if you have been looking for an entry, you've been looking to buy Moo Deng, this is your opportunity. You can see already in the terminal that a lot of buys are coming in right now. A lot of people have orders at around $200 million, and that's what you're seeing right now happening. So how high can Moo Deng go? What are the next steps for Moo Deng from here? Okay, I can show you exactly what's going to happen. So even though we have been up big, I can tell you right now that we're still way, way, way below from potential. So we're right here at 200 mil right now, and we still have to break the all-time high, which is basically $720 million. Or 700 million. Let's just go 700 million. That is 244% from now on. So ultimately, if you're not buying Moo Deng above this number of $710 million market cap, that is a bargain, because we still have to beat that number. And then after that, we're going to have to take off, break a barrier at $1, and we have to break a barrier at $3, and on and on and on and on. That is exactly what we're waiting for here. That is the projection for Moo Deng. So yeah, you might buy today. It doesn't mean that the pump is going to happen tomorrow. It could happen another day, but at least you know this is. You have to look at the chart in its entirety, like entire history of the coin. In the entire history of Moo Deng since September 2024, when it was created, up to now, we basically just close to its beginning days. So you're not different. If you're buying right now, you're not different from someone who bought it back in September 2024. You're basically entering around the same price. And then you have this whole upside here that you have to calculate for. So Moo Deng has a long way to go, but it just depends on how much conviction you have. Why am I saying this? Consider this period. Consider this period. There was a time where Moo Deng was completely considered dead, DED. From here up to when it started pumping. This is 60 days of nothingness. 60 days, that's 2 months of price not moving at all. So that could happen as well. And then it come up with another surprise. So the only way you can win in this kind of game is to make sure that you're in position. You have it, you just hold it. You know, people in the trenches show right now, they will tell you that, I sold my Moo Deng, now I'm regretting it because I didn't see it coming. Do you want to risk that play, or you want to have discipline and just chill? It's up to you. So that's what I wanted to say regarding Moo Deng. It's like, it's a sleeping giant. $200 million, it's far too little for a superior meme coin that is going to take over the world. Somebody here just throw me FUD. Great look at FUD. FUD just racked already. So sorry if you're in that play, but I don't think I'm going to be buying this. It's already dead before it even started. But we can look at all these other plays. Okay, most of them look like they racked already, bro. Like, what the hell is going on here? I feel like DDG might launch on Launchcoin, probably. Guys, if you have tickers that you want to drop for me, you can always also put them in the comments on X. In that way, I can also have a look at them quickly. Useless coin. Sure, I know a lot of people like useless, but like I feel like I'm sidelined on it. Excuse me. Useless coin is already like 33 million, bro. But the ticker itself is good enough to go big. Okay, so this is coming out of bonk. Okay, so slowly we're seeing pump fund losing a lot of ground here. Like in the last week, you can say that the best tickers have not been out of pump fund. They've been coming out of Launchcoin and bonk. So if this is the #1 ticker on bonk, then maybe we can expect it to go even higher. I didn't even know that it's coming out of bonk. Okay, let's look into that quick. Let's bonk.fun. Wow, but the interface for the bonk platform is shit. Like you don't even know which platforms, which tickers are better coming out of there. Bros, make sure you sign up on Axiom, is what I'm using mostly for trading memes right now. Link to Axiom should be in the description below. Link in my bio on my X account. If you want to use all the platforms I use, including Bybit, Axiom, click on this link and it will take you to all my links. Bybit is currently giving $1,000 for free, which if you trade using it, if you're a new user, they'll give you $1,000 to trade. You get to keep the profit. So make sure you use it. Create an account, fund it with money, and open a trade. They'll give you the money. I remember when the alpha was gatekept, now it's free for all. Absolutely. The game has now changed. You know, markets can be very efficient sometimes if you leave them alone. Walrus. Walrus, bro. It looks weak. Are we gonna launch another community meme coin? Okay, sure. So let's do this. We're gonna have to launch our own coin next week. The way we're gonna do it, we're not gonna do it live on YouTube, because if we announce it on YouTube, a lot of people are going to front run us. So we're gonna launch the coin, but in Telegram first, in the trenches 24/7. And I need you guys to be able to get in first, those who are in the group. So if you're not in the trenches 24/7 in the Telegram group, you will miss out. You have to join in right there, very quickly, rather, to be part of this coin. Because when it's ready, when we're about to launch, we're going to announce in there. I'm also going to put the ticker in the group first before I go live, and then after that we go live, and then we shield it to take it to the moon. Okay, so they say reply any tweet with @launchcoin plus name to turn it into a coin. So let's respond. Anyway, let's do that tomorrow, actually. Next week when we want to launch. Okay, I would recommend everybody to turn your notifications on for this Believe app, because I think a lot of stickers are going to come out of here. I think Monero is kind of primed for a long. So if you're looking for a long in the perpetual swaps world, this is a pretty much good one. Emperor Keius Maximus. Even Elon Musk tickers are not sending, bro. How is Murad portfolio doing now? It's probably 20 mil. 24 mil. Oh, wow. SPX is holding up nicely. I can't respond to the group, but I can see the news in the trenches 24/7. Okay, so tomorrow we're now launching response. You will be able to respond to the post in the trenches 24/7. It's going to be an upgrade for you guys tomorrow. So, yeah. How is our Pirate Bay? Runes are kind of cooked right now, so there is just no aura coming from the runes at the moment. So I think we still have the ticker. I never sold any tokens, but we can get back to it once runes become trending again. They're not in motion, right? They got like zero motion. XCN, bro. XCN sounds like an odd ticker, bro, like an old coin. You're talking about this? This is not a meme coin. It's like an odd coin, old school stuff. These kind of coins are dead, bro. I can tell you right now. So next week we're launching our own coin. Be sure to be in the freaking trenches 24/7. If you're not, you're gonna miss out. That's your problem. That's not mine. You want to be early in these kind of things. I think I'm not gonna tell you what we're going to call the coin. I will just announce after the CA has been created. Okay, bro. So it looks like the trenches are cooked today. Nothing much is going on. So I'm gonna rock the stream. I'll be back in a couple of hours. I'll take a nap. I'll sleep right here on the couch to wake up early, and I should get back on live in a couple of hours later. So I'll see you later. I'll stream much more, especially later today or tomorrow. Technically, it's today, but it's tomorrow because I have to sleep and wake up. But I think that's going to be the strategy right now, to just stay streaming for a long time to make sure we're not missing out on anything. Like, the market is basically bullish right now. Things are going to turn around. We're going to get another red day and everything goes bonkers. But what we're trying to do is to make sure we capture we capture the bottom of the markets before they take off, and we want to capture every freaking meme that have potential out there. So that's what we've been doing. So you're not going to find something every day. Sometimes there's nothing, but at least we had the discipline to show up, look for stuff, and then to make sure we don't miss out on anything. All right, bros, take care. I'll see you in a few hours. Yeah, cheers. Jail. Somebody said we should check out jail. Oh, you got $250,000, bro. You got $250,000 in XCN. Okay. Oh man, $250,000 is a lot of money. I don't know why you invested in. I don't know the story of that coin, but yeah, man. I just hope that you make it back. You make it back, or I don't know if you had a loss or you're winning on the play, but I hope it ends well. Jail. Okay, jail is at like 125K. Liquidity 600K. Market cap. It's 21 days old. It's from Bunk also. Yeah, it's coming out of Bunk.